big breaking news coming in. I would request you to stay on with us. What we're learning is that CMO, that is Chief Minister's Office, has transferred the intelligence chief. Hemanta Nibalkar is his name. He's the IPS officer that has been shunned out by the Chief Minister's Office. Intelligence chief has now been transferred. Yesterday, we saw how the top cop of Bangalore was also shunted out by the government, and now next is this IPS officer. He's the intelligence chief, and he has been transferred as far as this case is concerned. His name is Hemanta Nibalkar. Let me go across to my colleague Abhishek. Abhishek, let me bring you in to put this into perspective. Hemanta Nibalkar has now been transferred by the Chief Minister's Office. Put this into perspective. What was the intelligence failure and why is he being pulled up?
Well, Akanksha, even before we start with the intelligence failure, it is the failure of the common sense of the Karnataka State Police, because the capacity of Chinnaswamy Stadium is 35,000, and the Chinnaswamy Stadium officials and the Karnataka State government very clearly knew at least lakhs and lakhs of people would turn out in front of the Chinnaswamy Stadium to celebrate the victory of RCB for over the last 18 years. So the intelligence failure is that when each and every small gully and road in the Karnataka state was celebrating the victory of RCB, it was very clear that lakhs and lakhs of people would obviously pour in near the Chinnaswamy Stadium. The failure of intelligence department, headed by Mr. Hemanta Nibalkar, is as of now shown on the record by transferring or suspending. He's been suspended from his services as of now, as he would not continue as the intelligence head of the state of Karnataka as of now. There is another political motive behind this as to why Nibalkar wasn't suspended right away when the top cops of Bangalore city were suspended yesterday. Hemanta Nibalkar is the husband of Congress MLA. Anjali Nibalkar is the MLA and is also the wife of Hemanta Nibalkar. So this is one of the reasons as to why the government had to take time to make sure that they remove Hemanta Nibalkar from his post as of now. So there might have been some pressure built on the Karnataka State CM or the DCM from Anjali Nibalkar to make sure Hemanta Nibalkar shouldn't have been suspended. However, when the Bangalore City Commissioner, Additional Commissioner, Joint Commissioner, ACP, DCP and the Station Head Officer along with the Circle Police Inspector were suspended, it was 100% sure that the intelligence had failed, and that is the reason as to why Hemanta Nibalkar had to be suspended the previous night itself. An hour later, Hemanta Nibalkar has been suspended from his services as the intelligence head of the state as of now. Akanksha.